Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this KVD Vegan Beauty lip gloss. Oh, the XO lip gloss. I have to say this packaging confuses me. It's probably just my fault, but I'm like, first I couldn't figure out what brand this was. But I got this in my May 2022 Boxycharm premium box, which that unboxing is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. And I'm going to be going out of my comfort zone with this today because I got this in the shade Magnolia 60. And it is not the type of color that I choose for myself. And so this is what it looks like. It's basically like a brown shade. And when I was looking this up, it claims to be very pigmented. And I was actually kind of hoping this would be a little bit more sheer because then I would feel like it's a little bit more approachable. So I'm very interested to see how this is going to look on me. My lips are also very chapped today, so I'm hoping this has some good hydration. So this retails for $19. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and let's start out by seeing what the applicator looks like. Oh, interesting. It's almost like an hourglass shaped applicator. Here you can see what that looks like. It says it smells like creme brulee, so let's see. It does. It smells so good and sweet. Oh, I love when my lip products have a good smell to them. But okay, before I apply this to my lips, I've got to go for a swatch. Oh gosh. It's very brown. Has some shine to it. I gotta say, Boxycharm has sent me some very interesting colors for my quiz and my feedback. And sometimes it's fun to go out of my comfort zone. Sometimes it doesn't work out. Let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh, it like goes on messy. This applicator is actually kind of a difficult shape to work with, to be precise. Like, the color is not even. Like if it's a little bit thicker, like it looks so noticeably brown. So I'm trying to really smooth it out evenly. And it is pretty sheer. Like you can definitely obviously see the color, but it's not as opaque as it made it sound. And here it is applied. It is a nice hydrating formula. I will say my lips are looking very hydrated now. And it's not clinging to any of the dry areas. So I like that formula. It's not super shiny for a gloss. And then this color. I don't like it on me. I feel like it washes me out, makes me look even more pale, but not in a flattering way. But I do like the amount of pigment. Like it's full color, still a little bit sheer, but definitely changed the color of my lips. So if this was in a more flattering shade, I think I would really like this because I do really like when my lip glosses have good pigment to them. I am curious what the transfer looks like though for being this pigmented. Yeah, I mean that is like a full kiss mark of transfer, just as much as like a bullet lipstick. So it also fades a lot based off of that. So it's not long lasting, but you're not really going to expect a lip gloss to be long lasting. So it is a nice formula, not a color that you'll probably ever see me wear again. I wish I could have gotten a more flattering shade in Boxycharm because it just feels like a waste of a product when it doesn't actually suit me. And I have no way of switching it out for a different shade that would suit me better. So although this product itself is not a fail, for me it is. And my Boxycharm premium box this month was just such a letdown. But now we know If you've tried this out in any of the other colors that you really like, let me know about that in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.